Thanks for purchasing our Angel Sounds JPD 100S. This video is about using and setting. Go ahead and have a look at it. Turn on the product packaging. Check packaging list. 1 user manual. 1 Angel Sounds fetal Doppler. 1 earphone. 1 recording cable. 1 battery. Keys and sockets. On, off, volume knob. USB jack. Headphone jack. Detector. Battery storehouse. Install battery. Turn on Angel Sounds fetal Doppler. Put on gel. Find fetal heart rate. Connect your cell phone or PC to record. Turn off Doppler after using. Details of steps. If you are 16 to 24 weeks pregnant, check right under the navel. If you are 24 or more weeks pregnant, check by the side of the navel. When frequent quickening is felt at the right side, the fetal heartbeat is usually at the left side. Otherwise, the heartbeat is at the right side. In the case of a head-down position, the fetal heartbeat will be at the left or right side under the navel, while the fetal heartbeat is left or right side above the navel when the baby is in the breech position. Precautions. Please see a doctor if the fetal heartbeat is beyond the 120 to 160 limits. Please take care if there is a sudden fail of heartbeat in its original place. It may be caused by a change in position of the heart. Otherwise, please see a doctor. In the case of a weak fetal heartbeat, please immediately see a doctor.